Good morning, my dear kids. How are you? So last week what we learned? Sense organs. Isn't it? We learned about senses and sense organs. So what are the 5 senses we have? Sight, sound, smell, taste, and then touch. Isn't it? And what are the sense organs? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. So last week we saw about the senses and sense organs, and these sense organs, how it's helpful for us to find out the things around us. Isn't it, ma? So today we are going to see how to take care about our sense organs. All of you take page number 29. So today we are going to see taking care of our sense organs. You all know that these 5 sense organs, it's very important to us, right? So we have to keep them clean and we have to take care of that. Okay, ma? So taking care of our sense organs, it's very important. Now turn the next page, page number 30. So first we are going to see about taking care of our eyes. So our eyes, it helps us to see the beautiful things. Isn't it, ma? So we have to take good care of eyes. So first, see, we do not read in poor light. We should turn on the light if the room is dark while we are reading. See, while we are reading the books or while we are learning, we should not sit in the dark light. We have to turn on the lights. Okay, ma? And then we should not touch our eyes with dirty hands. Okay? So you do not touch your eyes with dirty hands. And then we should wash our eyes every day with water. While we are bathing itself, we will wash, right? So frequently you have to wash your eyes with water. And then we should not rub our eyes. Then we should not read lying down on the bed or in a moving vehicle. So in bike or in car or in bus, don't read a book. Okay, don't read with the help of your eyes while in a moving vehicle. And then we should not sit too close and watch the television immediately. So the result will create immediately. Okay, your eyes will get poor. So don't sit near too close to the television. Okay, ma? So see, our eyes help us to see beautiful things. We should take good care of them. First point, we should not read in poor light. We should turn on the lights if the room is dark while we are reading. And the second point is, we should not touch our eyes with dirty hands. Third one, we should wash our eyes every day with water. And then we should not rub our eyes. What's the fifth one? We should not read lying down on the bed or in a moving vehicle. Finally, we should not sit too close and watch the television. Okay, and then next one, ears. Taking care of our ears. With the help of ears, we can able to hear good music and listen to people what they are saying. So what are the care we should take on? We have to take first, we always use a soft cloth or earbuds, okay, to clean our ears. Don't clean by yourself. You have to ask your parents' help for cleaning your ears. And then do not use any sharp objects to clean our ears. Most of them will use slide pins for cleaning our ears. Don't use like that. And then loud music. We have to avoid to listen to a loud music. It will create some problems in our ears. And then if we are going in a cold, like morning, early morning, nowadays it's very cool, right? So in that case, we have to close our ears with sponge or like caps. Okay, don't allow the cool air to go inside the ears. And then we have to wear a swimming cap to prevent water from entering our ears while swimming. Okay, children. So our ears help us to hear good music and listen to what people say. We should take good care of them. What's the first point? We should always use a soft cloth or earbuds to clean our ears with our parents' help. Don't do by yourself. We should not use any sharp objects like pins, slides, or like somebody will use bike key or car key to clean your ears. Okay, don't do like that. Don't use any sharp objects to clean our ears. We should avoid listening to a very loud music. And then we should cover our ears with some cotton or a scarf when we go out in the cold in the early morning and all, okay, or in the night also. We should wear a swimming cap while we are going for swimming. Okay, and then nose. You all know that with the help of the nose only we can able to breathe and we can able to smell. So we have to clean our nose while we are having a bath. And then don't use pencils or any other objects in the nostrils. Which is the nostrils here? In the nose, the two sides will be there, right? That is nostrils. And then while we are blowing, we have to blow gently. Okay, we have to blow our nose gently when we are having a cold. See, she is using the handkerchief for blowing, right? So he is not using, it's wrong. We should cover our nose and mouth with a handkerchief when we sneeze or cough. Okay, ma, that's a good habit. When we are sneezing or when we are coughing, we have to close our nose with a handkerchief. Otherwise, it will spread to some other. Okay, ma. So, see, proper nasal hygiene is important for the nose to function well. So, how we have to take care? We should clean our nose while having a bath. We should not put pencils or any other object into our nostrils. We should blow our nose gently when we have a cold. We should cover our nose and mouth with a handkerchief when we sneeze or cough. So what is mean by hygiene? Hygiene means keeping yourself clean. Okay, ma? And then tongue. So tongue helps us to taste food we eat, and then tongues have taste buds that help us identifying different tastes, isn't it? So how we have to take care? The tongue needs good care and should be kept clean. Clean your tongue with a tongue cleaner. Okay, ma? The tongue needs good care and should be kept clean. Clean your tongue with a tongue cleaner. Okay, ma? And then body. So our body is completely covered by a layer is called as skin. So we have to take care of our skin. See, we have to bath every day. We should wear clean clothes. See, we should have a bath every day. We should wear clean clothes. So we have to take care of all the sense organs. So as they are helping about the world around us. Isn't it, mom? See, sense organs and their functions today we learned, right? So what are the sense organs? Sense of sight, sense of sound, sense of smell, sense of taste, sense of touch. And similarly the sense organs, sight means eyes, sound, ears, smell, nose, taste, tongue, touch, skin. So, and the functions also we have learned the last week. Today we learned about taking care of our sense organs. Okay, children, clear? So the next week we can see the next chapter. So till that, bye-bye. Take care, children. Bye-bye, kids.